Friends, good evening. Welcome to my class, Belagali's class. Again on IT of inverse trigonometric functions. Done what? Nearly six classes or seven classes. My friends, today once again I want to do few more examples on inverse trigonometric functions. Few more. Just a remind. Before starting with examples, I will just revise those formulae we wanted. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x1. X plus y upon 1 minus x1. This is reverse. From this to this it is tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus x1. Now from this to this, from writing this, what are our observations? You must observe this must be 1. These two must be opposite signs and it should be the product of these two. If it is so, then you are writing tan inverse of the first, here plus is plus, minus is minus, tan inverse of the second, my friends. 2 tan inverse x, it is tan inverse of 2x upon 1 minus x square. Cosec inverse x, sin inverse 1 by x, sec inverse x, cos inverse 1 by x, cot inverse x, tan inverse 1 by x where x is positive, greater than 0. Sin inverse x plus cos inverse x is pi by 2 and pi by 2 minus any 1 equal to the remaining. Similarly, tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is pi by 2. Sin inverse of sin theta is theta. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Cos inverse of cos inverse x. My friends, angle here respective in both the cases that angle lies between minus 90 and plus 90. In case x man, what is the domain of cos inverse x? That is minus 1 to plus 1, where x belongs to the closed interval minus 1 to plus 1. This is true. Yes, my friends. Just reminded. Then, my friends, these are related with trigonometric functions. Done PUC first year. Sin 2a, 2 sin a cos a. What would remember here? My friends, in LHS the angle is 2a. Observe the angle here. A it is. Then what it tells? Angle in LHS becomes what? Half of the angle in LHS. If it is 2a, a. If it is theta, it becomes what? Theta by 2. Therefore, my friends, sin theta, same, 2 sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. 1 minus cos 2a, 2 sin square. My friends, if it is minus here, 1 minus cos 2 sin square, 1 plus cos 2 cos square. Now, what about the angle? See, what is your observation? 2a, a half, theta by 2, 1 plus 2 cos square theta by 2. Yesterday, means in the previous class it is explained. What is it? It is shifting from sine to cos. If you change from sine to cos, you have to replace your angle by what? Pi by 2 minus theta, pi by 2 minus theta. Cot x to replace or to change from cot to tan. What is it? Tan pi by 2 minus x. Now, if you want to change from cos x to sin x, it is what? Sine of pi by 2 minus x. Yes, my friends. These are trigonometric formulae. Studied last year, my friends, in first year. Yes. Okay. Now I do a few more examples on inverse trigonometric functions, ITF. Few more examples. Again, these examples will be important under 3 mark, even sometimes 2 mark. Not more than 3 mark on ITF. Yes, friends. Okay. So the example is write the following in simplest form. You know the meaning means you have to simplify. Instead of that, they say write the following. In simplest form, normally 3-mark questions, my friends. Simplest form. Yes, friends. First example. Tan inverse root 1 minus cos x upon 1 plus cos x. You have to express or write this in the simplest form. Express or write. Yes, friends. Simplest form means you have to simplify. What you have to write, use the formula 1 minus 2 sine square half of the angle. Plus means what? 2 cos square half of the angle. Yes, my friends. Use that formula. It is tan inverse square root 2 sine square x by 2. Denominator 2 cos square x by 2. Yes, friend, it is tan inverse. Tell 2 cancelled. It is square root. Sine square upon cos square is tan square x by 2. Yes, my friend, what is this? It is tan inverse of square root tan x by 2. It's already reminded, my friends, it is there. Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Tan inverse of tan x by 2 is, friends, it is x by 2. It is x by 2. So, this is the simplest form. Tell what is done. Yes, already I reminded the formula. What is it? 1 minus cos 2 sine square 1 plus cos 2 cos square. What about the angle in RHS? Half of the angle in LHS. Yes, my friends. X becomes x by 2. Yes. Minus sine square plus cos square. 2 cancelled. Sine square upon cos square is tan square. Square root. No. Tan inverse of tan x by 2. See, this is expressed to the simplest form. My friends, even these are also on 3 mark, otherwise 2. It depends upon the examiner. Yes. My friend, the same thing if we change minus upon plus 2 plus upon minus. See, what is the change? The next example is tan inverse square root. I told numerator is plus. Okay. Cos x. Denominator 1 minus cos x. Yes, my friend. Same formula. What is it? Tan inverse square root. Plus means 2 cos square, half of the angle. Minus means 2 sine square, half of the angle. Yes, my friend. 2 is cancelled. What is it? It is tan inverse square root. Instead of sine square upon cos square, your observation here is what? Cos square upon sine square. Cos upon sine is cot. Square is there. It is cot square x by 2. What it becomes, my friends? It is tan inverse square root cot x by 2. See, what is this? Tan inverse of tan theta is theta. Both must be tan. But what about here? One is tan, another is cot. In this case, you know the method of changing from cot to tan. I said here, changing from cot to tan, you have to replace your angle by pi by 2 minus x. Do the same thing. So this equal to, this is tan inverse. You have to change from cot to tan. In this case, you have to replace your angle by pi by 2 minus x by 2. My friends, this while doing the examples, you will get change from sine to cos, cos to sine, tan to cot, cot to tan. You must know. Very simple. Remember, replace the angle by what? Pi by 2 minus x by 2. Pi by 2 minus x by 2. Now, after this change, what is your observation? tan inverse of tan, then this angle itself, so this equal to pi by 2 minus x by 2, my friends. This will be the simplest form of this. So, my friends, while doing the examples, please remember, you may have tan inverse of tan. At that time, directly we can write this equal to angle. Instead of that, sometimes you get what? A change. Tan inverse with cot, sine inverse with cos, cos inverse with sine. In that case, you must change. You must change from tan to cot, cot to tan, like that. Yes, my friends. This is the second example. Next one. Again, express the following in simplest form. Express the following in simplest form. Yes, friends. In simplest form. Yes. This is tan inverse of cos x upon 1 minus sin x. 1 minus sin x. Yes, my friend. Again, we have to make use those list of the formula. Now, what is our observation? Formula is there for sine. It is the only term, single. It is the only term. Sine 2a, 2 sine a cos a. Sine theta, 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Half of the angle in RHS. But in case of cos, needs 1. 1 minus, 1 plus. 1 minus is 2 sine square. 1 plus is 2 cos square. See what is given here. Instead of sine, you have the formula, only sine. But down, either you have what? 1 minus cos, otherwise plus cos. But it is what? Where we wanted sine given cos, where in this case, instead of cos, it is given sine. Where with this also we can do, but already we are very much familiar with what? That formula, set of formulae. Yes, my friend. What we have to do? It is tan inverse. Cos we change to sine. Yes, friend. I told that change does what? Replace your angle by pi by 2 minus x. Denominator 1 minus. We are changing from sine to cos. Change, replace your angle pi by 2 minus x. Yes, friends, please remember why it is done. We have the formula for sine. Here it is 1 minus or 1 plus cos. But it is given 1 minus sine and cos. Change it. Anyway, we know the method. Change from cos to sine, sine to cos. Now we can use formula. What is it? Sine theta. It is sine theta. What is the formula? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. In RHS you have to write what? Half of the angle in LHS. Write it. Yes. This equal to tan inverse. Yes, my friend. 2 sine divide by 2 minus divide by 2. So along with sine you have cos. What is it? It is pi by 4 minus x by 2. Understood? 2 sine theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Denominator, my friend. 1 minus means I told 2 sine square. Here also what? Half of the angle. Pi by 2 upon 2 minus x upon 2. Yes, my friend. Simplification. First 2. What about next? Sine cancels. Denominator of sine square 1. Sine cancels. Then you are left with, right, tan inverse tan inverse. See friend, cos by sine. Cos by sine is cot. Cos by sine is cot. What is the angle? It is pi by 4 minus x by 2. Pi by 4 minus x by 2. Tell once again, is it a pair? No. Here it is tan, here it is cot. Once again you have to change cot to tan. Change means replace your angle by what? Pi by 2 minus this angle. Right, my friends. It is tan inverse. Tan, cot to tan, yes. Pi by 2, this pi by 2 minus this angle. What is this? It is pi by 4 minus x by 2. Yes, my friend. See, tan inverse, cot, we want to change to tan. That cot to tan makes what? Replace this angle by pi by 2 minus this angle. Again I used another bracket. Simplified. Tell my friends, tan inverse of tan gives only angle pi by 2 minus pi by 4 minus with this minus plus x by 2. Yes, my friends, pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Pi by 2 minus pi by 4 is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Yes, my friends, it is the simplest form of this expression. What is it? Tan inverse cos x upon 1 minus sin x. Yes, friends, to make use the formula what I have written there, change from cos to sin, explained, sin to cos, explained. I don't want to repeat it. Again formula, sin theta, 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2, half of the angle. Minus means 2 sin square, x theta by 2 means half of the angle. Simplify, friends, cut 1 sin, cut, left with cos by sin. What is cos by sin? Cot. Cot of this angle. Yes. Again outside is tan inverse, inside is cot. We want to change once again cot to tan. Again same method. Replace your angle by pi by 2 minus the angle. These are like a guards, compound walls, my friends. Brackets always plays very important role. Avoid mistakes. Tan inverse of tan. This minus of minus is plus. Further pi by 4 plus x by 2. So this is the simplest form of what? This given expression. Very important. Maybe under 2 mark, otherwise 3 mark. If you wanted to try at home, DIY. If you wanted, we can try this with plus. If it is plus, it is simple. What it becomes, man? If it is plus, it becomes cos square. Cos cancels. You are left with sin upon cos. What is sin upon cos? Directly we get here tan. Tan inverse of tan. What is the answer? Pi by 4 minus x by 2. This you do yourself. Cos x upon 1 plus sin x. Yes, friend. Next example. All right. See. Yes, my friends. I write one more result, man, that I use while doing another group of examples. Already you know, you have done all these things, man. It is sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this, tell what is cos square. Cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. Yes, my friends. Then what is the square root of 1 minus sine square? Square root of 1 minus sine square is square root of cos square, which is cos theta. Yes, my friends. It is a simple why it is written. My friend, basic change square root of this is cos. Is correct. If the given expression is of the form 1 minus x square, tell how to simplify it. If the given expression is 1 minus x square, substitute for x equal to what? Sine. If you put x equal to sine theta, what is this root 1 minus x square? Is cos theta. Is correct. Therefore, while doing the things by examples, if the given expression is of the form root 1 minus x square, put x equal to sine theta. This is the wanted, my friends. This is wanted. Yes, my friends, already we have used just, or I write here. What is it? If the given expression, if the expression is root 1 minus x square, put x equal to sine theta. Put x equal to sine theta. Yes, my friends. When x is sine theta, what about root 1 minus x square? Is cos theta. If the expression contains root 1 minus x square, substitution, proper substitution, put x equal to sine theta. Root 1 minus x square is cos theta. My friends, this is 1. Second identity. My friends, you know this. What you know? 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. 1 plus tan square is sec square theta. Even what is tan square, my friends? Tan square theta is sec square theta minus 1. Yes, my friends. If the expression is with this man, if it is of the type 1 plus x square or root 1 plus x square, then put what? X equal to tan. If you put x equal to tan, what is 1 plus x square? Is sec theta. No square root, sec square. Which square root? Sec theta. And what about the second down? Yes, ma'am. If the expression is x square minus 1 or root x square minus 1, then put what? X equal to sec theta, so that x square minus 1 you get it as what? Tan square. Root x square minus 1 you get it as what? Tan theta. Yes, my friends. So the second expression is if the second, or in the expression either 1 plus x square or root 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square or root 1 plus x square. Substitute x equal to tan theta. My friends, if it is what? 1 plus x square, 1 plus tan square, you get sec square. If it is root of this is sec theta. What is the third one? In the expression, or if the expression, anything. In the expression, what is it? Instead of 1 plus x square or x square plus 1, both same. If it is x square minus 1 or root x square minus 1. So in this case, substitution is put x equal to sec theta. Yes, my friends. So if it is 1 minus x square, substitution is x equal to sine theta. If it is 1 plus x square, x is tan theta. If it is x square minus 1, x is sec. These three, by making use of what our identities, sin square plus cos square is 1, 1 plus tan square is sec square. My friends, using this helps, man. You have some very good examples based on what? Root 1 minus x square, either root 1 plus x square or open 1 plus x square, and x square minus 1 or root x square minus 1. Remember, 1 minus x square sine, 1 plus x square tan, x square minus 1 sec, my friends. Now I do examples based on this. Yes, my friends. Yes. Same title is once again the same. What is it? Express into simplest form. Express tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x into simplest form. Yes, friends, it is a good example appeared in question paper. It is a good example appeared under what? 3-mark question. Already appeared in question papers, man. Very good example. Look at the expression. What is it? It contains root 1 plus x square. 1 plus x square means already explained. What is your x? X must be tan. Right, friends. Put x equal to tan. Put x equal to tan theta. Bring tan this side. It is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x is theta. Yes, friend. Then you have to find the value of this. It is what? Root 1 plus x square. Root 1 plus x square is root 1 plus tan square. 1 plus tan square. Yes, my friend. What is 1 plus tan square? Root sec square. Therefore, root sec square is sec theta. Even my friends, okay, it is all understood. If x is tan theta, root 1 plus x square is sec theta. Directly you can write without writing all these things. And if you wanted, you can write direct sec theta. Now, you have to substitute here in the given expression. Yes, friend. It is tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1. Denominator is x. Substitute. Yes, my friend. It is tan inverse. This is a sec theta minus 1. Denominator x means tan theta. Yes, my friends. Rest is a simplification of this bracket, and try to reduce this bracket to what? Outside is tan inverse, waiting for what? Tan here. Yes, my friend. See there. Okay. What is sec? Sec is 1 by cos. You lift this tan to the numerator. What is 1 by tan? Cos. Do these changes, my friends. Tan inverse. It is 1 by cos theta. This is minus 1. Sec 1 by cos theta minus 1. Lift this to the numerator. This is cos theta. I hope understood. Once again, what is sec? 1 by cos. Minus 1. What is tan? 1 by tan is cos. Now simplify it. My friends, this is tan inverse. What is it? 1 minus cos theta upon cos theta. Hope understood. 5. Now it is with cross LCM. What is cos? Cos by sine. It is cos by sine theta. Yes, my friend. 1 minus cross upon cos. Cot, cos by sine. By this you come to know it is cancelled, my friend. Cancelled. What is left? I write here. Finished. I write here. Equal to tan inverse. Tan inverse. What is numerator? 1 minus cos theta. Numerator 1 minus cos theta. Tell in the denominator you have only sin theta because cos is cancelled. Sin theta. Sin theta. Once again, my friends, I was written the formula there. Tan inverse. Tell 1 minus cos means 2 sin square. Minus means 2 sin square, half of the angle theta by 2. Half of the or half angle formula. Sin theta can be written as 2 times sin theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Yes, my friends. 1 minus 2 sin square, half of the angle, sin 2 sin theta by 2 cos theta by 2. Explained earlier this itself. Simplify. Tan inverse cancelled. 1 sin cancels, my friend. 1 sin left in the numerator, left in the denominator is cos. What is this? Ratio sin upon cos. Ratio sin upon cos is nothing but tan. What is the angle? Theta by 2. Once again, tan inverse of tan theta by 2 equal to 1 by 2 into theta. Already I have written theta here. My friends, what is theta? Tan inverse x. This is tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Therefore, my friends, tan inverse root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x is half tan inverse x. Half tan inverse x. Yes, my friends. This is the given expression which is big. This expression is expressed to simplified form, simplest form, 1 by 2 into tan inverse x. Yes, friends. Even sometimes your luck is good. The value of this equal to dash. They give what? This in CET. Even in calculus, you have differentiation. Find the derivative of this with respect to x. At the time with this substitution x equal to tan, you must reduce this to this form. Then what is the derivative of this? Derivative of RHS, which is very simple, my friends. So it is a very good example. I explain once again. Listen. Have concentration. See. Express tan inverse of root 1 plus x square minus 1 upon x into simplest form. Simplest form. My friends, this is your friend. 1 plus x square. What is 1 plus x square? Substitution is x equal to tan. Theta, bring this side. Tan inverse x is theta. Value of this. Substitute square root sec theta. Consider this is sec minus 1. What is x? Tan. Next changes, man. This is what? 1 by cos minus 1. Tan lift to the numerator. Cot. Simplify. 1 minus cos upon cos. Cot can be written as cos by sine. Again cancellation. Right, once again. 1 minus cos upon sine theta. Tan inverse of 1 minus cos upon sine theta. Already we have done such examples. 1 minus is 2 sine square. Half of the angle. Half angle formula. What is this? 2 sine theta by 2 into cos theta by 2. Friends, cancels. 1 sine cancels 1 sine. Left in the numerator. Ratio tan. Tan inverse of tan. It is still there in the corner. Angle. What is angle? Theta by 2. 1 by 2 into theta. What is your theta, my friends? Tan inverse x. Tan inverse x. Therefore, this equal to half tan inverse x. Very good example. Very good example. Understood? Yes, my friend. Next example is. Same. What is it? Express the following in simplest form. Simplest form. Yes, my friend. This is slightly lengthy as well as important example. Important example. Yes, friend. It is cot inverse. Next is cot inverse. Cot inverse 1 upon square root x square minus 1. X square minus 1. In the previous example, just I was not mentioned, x is not equal to 0 in the previous example. X square minus 1 in this case, mod of x is greater than 1. I tell my friends, when it is greater than 1, this becomes positive. Square root of positive is real. If it is less than 1, if it is 0, at that time, square root becomes imaginary. To avoid it, mod x is greater than 1. Yes, my friend. Already those results dancing in the mind. Root x square minus 1. Tell my friends, what is the substitution? Root x square minus 1. Substitution is what? Put x equal to sec theta. Put x equal to sec theta. Yes, friend. Put x equal to sec theta. Put x equal to sec theta. Yes, bring this side. This gives sec inverse x is theta. Friend, this value root x square minus 1, it is root sec square theta minus 1. Tell my friend, sec square theta minus 1 is root tan square. Explained everything. Root square means what? It is tan theta. It is tan theta. Substitute. Substituting in the given expression. Substituting in the given expression, you have cot inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1. Yes, friend. It is cot inverse 1 upon root x square minus 1 is tan theta. Tell, what is it? Cot inverse 1 by tan is cot theta. What is cot inverse of cot? Theta, my friends. What is theta? Theta is sec inverse x. Theta is sec inverse x. Yes, my friends. The simplified form of this is sec inverse x. Remember, if you remember, my friends, these substitutions, 1 minus x square sine, 1 plus x square tan, x square minus 1 sec. If you remember, it becomes what? Very easy. Yes, may give under 2 mark question. Next, my friends, instead of cot inverse, if the friend gives here tan inverse, that is the only change. If it is tan inverse, next example it is tan inverse. Yes, expression is same, substitution is same, everything what we have done, these substitutions are same up to this. But what is the change here? Instead of cot, it is tan. Yes, my friend, what is this? Tan. It is tan. Yes, what is this? Tan inverse. Yes, my friend. Once again, both are different. You must change from cot to tan. Still it is there down. Cot x can be written as what? Tan of pi by 2 minus x. This I told you. Simply change it. It is tan inverse. Well, we want from cot to tan, right? What I said, replace your angle by pi by 2 minus theta. What is this? Tan inverse of tan is angle itself. Pi by 2 minus theta, which is pi by 2. Theta is sec inverse minus sec inverse x. Yes, my friends. So, if it is tan inverse with tan directly angle, if it is tan inverse with different cot at that time, pi by 2 minus angle, that's the change. I hope understood, my friends. Same thing. Yes, my friend. Yes, my friend. Is it clear? Yes. Express tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square, root x square minus a square into simplest form, where, see my friends, once again, square root means this expression must be real. When it is real, inside must be positive. It is a, your x must be less than a. Strictly high. Even if x equal to a square minus a square becomes 0. Something by 0 is undefined. To avoid it, mod x must be less than a. Yes, my friends. A square minus x square. What is it? A is 1 here. If it is 1 minus x square, x is sine. Instead of that, if it is a square, instead of 1 a square means what is your x? Is sine theta. Yes, my friend. In this case, your substitution is put x equal to a sine theta. I simplify it itself. X by a sine theta. Then what is your theta? Bring this side. It is sine inverse x by a is theta. Simplify. Yes, my friend. Next, you wanted root a square minus x square. Substitute the value. Yes. A square. X is a sine square. A square sine square. Rest is simplification. My friends, a square is common into 1 minus sine square. What is 1 minus sine square? It is root a square sine square. What is a square sine square? Square root is a sine theta. See friends, 1 minus x square, simply x is sine. If it is other than 1, root of that. If it is a square, a. If it is 4, it must be 2. Why? Square root of 4. Like that. It is a square there. Put x equal to a sine theta. Down. Down this side. Theta. The value of the denominator x square. A square sine square. Observation. Common. 1 minus sine square. My friend. 1 minus sine square. Cos square. What is it? This is a cos theta. Yes, that's why after substituting once again you must verify it. Sometimes such a mistakes you can get it, you can find it. When you verify the things, man. Substitute in the given expression. Therefore, tan inverse x upon root a square minus x square. Yes, friend. Tan inverse. What is x? A sine. What is square root? A cos. Tell what cancels? A It is tan inverse. Tan inverse. What is sine upon cos? Tan theta. Tan theta. What is tan inverse? Tan theta itself, my friend. Theta itself. Already that value of theta you are observing here, looking at it. So this theta is nothing but sine inverse x by. All these are good examples from your textbook. Good examples, either regular exercise, otherwise miscellaneous exercise, my friends. Yes, express this simplest form. Yes, immediate man, immediate you must observe, you must know it. Minus x square is sine, x square plus is tan, x square minus 1 is sec. Yes, my friend. X is sine. Put the value, find the value of theta. Yes, sine. Sine inverse x by is theta. This side, denominator, x substitute, common, 1 minus sine square, cos square, square root a cos. After finding these two values, man, consider the given expression. Substitute x is sine, root a cos, a sine upon a cos, cancellation, sine by cos is tan. Tan inverse of tan is what? That angle itself, theta. But what is theta? Sine inverse x by. This is the simplified form of this given expression. Yes, friend. Next one, right. Next one, right. Yes, my friend. These 3-4 examples based on those substitutions. Now, you must remember those substitutions. Whenever needed, we will substitute. Now, I will remove it. The next example is yes. Next example is, already I had written, I write once again. It is sine 2a or sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta into cos theta. Yes, my friends. By making use of this, we do one example. Another example, similarly, cos 2 theta is 2 cos square theta minus 1, and same thing, cos 2 theta is 1 minus 2 sine square theta. Cos 2 theta purely in terms of cos, it is purely in terms of sine, and one more is there, mix. Cos 2 theta equal to cos square theta minus sine square theta. As we are not using, I am not going to write it, we use this one. Based on this, I do one set of examples. Yes, my friends, same, express or show that, instead of express, show that or do that. Show that 1 sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square, 2x into root 1 minus x square equal to 2 sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x, or same thing, prove that sine inverse, same expression, sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square equal to, it is 2 cos inverse x. 2 cos inverse x, my friends. Important. This second is appeared once in the question paper under 2 mark question. This second is appeared once in the question paper under 2 mark. Main exam, board exam appeared this. Yes, my friend. Again, same thing. What is it? 1 minus x square. Look at the RHS. What is RHS? Sine inverse x. Then this itself tells what? Put x equal to sine theta, otherwise sine inverse x equal to theta. Anything. anything. 1, my friend. In this case, put x equal to sine theta. X is sine theta. From this man, sine inverse x. Sine inverse x is theta. Yes. Yes. Root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. It is root 1 minus sine square. 1 minus sine square. What is 1 minus sine square? Cos square. What is square root of cos square? Is cos theta. These are very much familiar. Even my friends, they never expect to write all these things. Why? If x is sine, root 1 minus x square is cos. If x is cos, root 1 minus x square is sine. Automatic results. Automatic results. Now you consider this LHS, substitute. Now sine inverse 2 x root 1 minus x square. Root 1 minus x square. Substitute sine inverse 2. What is x? Sine theta. What is root? Cos theta. My friends, just reminded there. See, sine 2 theta is 2 sine theta cos theta. What is 2 sine theta cos theta? Is sine 2 theta. Sine 2 theta. Substitute, my friends. This is sine inverse sine 2 theta. Again, sine inverse of sine is 2 theta. Tell my friend, what is theta? Theta is sine inverse x. Theta is sine inverse x. Therefore, my friends, sine inverse 2x into root 1 minus x square is 2 sine inverse x. Not needed to write once again. Yes. In this case, when the RHS is sine inverse sine, put x equal to sine theta. Same theta. Root cos theta. LHS, x is sine, root is cos. It is nothing but sine 2 theta. Sine inverse of sine 2 theta. What is theta? Sine inverse x, which is the wanted RHS. Wanted RHS. Yes, friends. It is what? 2 sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x. Down man. 2 cos inverse x. 2 cos inverse x. In this case, when RHS is 2 sine inverse, put x equal to sine. When RHS is 2 cos inverse, put x equal to cos theta. In this case, friends, put x equal to cos theta. When RHS is 2 cos inverse, put x equal to cos theta. Bring this side. Cos inverse x is theta. Cos inverse x is theta. Yes. 1 minus x square. It is 1 minus cos square. 1 minus cos square is sine square. Square root of sine square is sine theta. Yes, friend. Equal to, what is it? It is equal to sine inverse 2x, x is cos theta, root is sine theta. If you wanted to write one more step, rearrangement of the terms, cos sine can be written as sine cos. Again that formula, sine 2 theta. But in this case, my friends, what is theta? Is cos inverse x. Theta is cos inverse x. Yes, my friends. It is another good example. I told it is appeared under 2 mark in the board exam. Yes, my friends. Remember, sine inverse sine, cos inverse cos. Method is same. Use of that formula. Yes, friend. Next is by making use of this, friend. Cos 2 theta, 2 cos square theta, cos 2 theta, 1 minus sine square 2 theta. They may give under 1 mark, otherwise 2 mark questions. Yes. Show that. So that 1. Cos inverse 2x square minus 1 equal to 2 cos inverse x. Second, sine inverse 1 minus 2x square equal to 2 sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x. 2 sine inverse x. Yes, friends. RHS cos inverse x. Put x equal to cos theta. Tell cos inverse x is theta. Yes, friend. You have to take this. This is 1 LHS. Now cos inverse 2x square minus 1. Cos inverse 2, what is x? Cos theta. It is 2 cos square theta minus 1. See, what is 2 cos square theta minus 1? 2 cos square theta minus 1 is cos 2 theta. This is cos 2 theta. Right, it is cos inverse cos 2 theta. What is cos inverse cos 2 theta? It is 2 theta. What is the value of theta? Cos inverse x. This is cos inverse x. Simple, my friends. Again, this second, I think it is appeared in the question paper, board exam. Again, 2 mark question. Tell what is the difference. Instead of cos inverse, you have sin inverse. Then what is the change here? Instead of x equal to cos theta, put x equal to sin theta. That is the change. Right, friend. Put x equal to sin theta. X is sin theta. Yes, friend. When RHS is sin, x is sin. Bring this side. Sin becomes a sin inverse x theta. LHS, my friend, it must be cos inverse. No, it should be cos inverse. Do that correction. Cos inverse 1 minus 2x square. Yes, cos inverse 1 minus 2 sin square theta. 1 minus 2x square, 1 minus 2 sin square. There, 1 minus 2 sin square is once again cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Theta is what in this case, my friend? Sin inverse x. Theta is sin inverse x. This is RHS. Yes, all these are simple, man. If the RHS is what, this equal to 2 cos inverse x, put x equal to cos. If it is 1 minus 2x square is 2 sin inverse x, put x equal to sin. Yes, my friends. What is the support? That formula done in PUC first year. Anyway, before starting these examples, man, normally what I do is, I will remind the formula from the previous classes, then I do it. The support is there. 1 minus 2 sin square is what? Cos 2 theta. Cos inverse of cos 2 theta is 2 theta. Is 2 cos inverse x. Second. This is second. Alright? Yes, my friend. That's first. This is second. Yes. Yes, man. These some properties, or you can say some good examples. 2 mark, 3 mark questions, and which are very simple examples. Friends, done today. Tomorrow, few more examples on this idea of I do it. Today, enough. Thank you very much.